Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the About Us page in your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen. Here is a dashboard of our WordPress admin panel. Go to the pages, all pages. Here you will see all the pages. Let me show you how your About Us page will be look like after finishing. Come to here. Here is a sample word About Us page, and we will try our best to make same like that. Let me discuss the structure of this first. Here is a section and here is a section. Two sections having, this section have text and this section have images and a button here. Now come to the point, and we are going to make a new About Us page. Add here. Let me clear one thing. We are going to implement it. We are going to make it with Elementor. Click Edit with Elementor. Here we go. Now you have to insert some sections here. Actually, this header and this background image and this scene is come from my installed theme. It may be different in your case. Let's try to build the page. Add section here. I'm going to add two sections. In one section, I'm going to add the text. Click it and type text. Click this text editor and drag it into this place. You can see our editor is here. Let's try to build it. I'm going to take this welcome text and put here, and we're going to make heading it make it 4, and then the next I want to put this text here and making style heading 3, and then want to put this text here. Now our one portion is ready. Come to the second section, and here we are going to insert some carousel block. Click here and put into here. Now select the images you want to put into carousel. I'm going to put these images, and now it's time to put the button. Click a section here, and in this section I'm going to put this button here, and put the title of this button, and you can put a link here for this contact us button. Now the job done. We have made About Us page. Let me do some more things like setting, put the text About Us here. You can put the image here, but I am not going to do that. Let's take a preview it. Here we go. Now we have About Us page with carousel images and text, and a button is here. At last you have to publish it, and the job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.